Major development today in another case of a man who died in police custody. There is now a special prosecutor in the Richard Metcalf investigation.
Jail guards have been accused of severely beating him more than 4 years ago. News 4's Dave Graber is live outside the Erie County Holding Center tonight. Dave?
Well, Don and Jackie, the family of Richard Metcalf Jr. may get something for which they've been striving since 2012, and that's justice for their son. As you mentioned today, a state Supreme Court judge moved that possibility one step closer to reality when he granted a request to have the case reopened and moved to Cattaraugus County. Richard Metcalf Jr. was brought to the Erie County Holding Center in late November 2012. His behavior was erratic leading up to his arrest, and it grew worse after being checked in downtown. What happens next is one of many disputes in this case. Holding Center corrections officers admit to using force to subdue Metcalf, who they say refused to follow orders and chewed through a spit mask. But the state's Commission of Corrections, the authority on jails and prisons in New York, says county corrections officers severely beat Metcalf, tied the spit mask so tightly around his neck that it had to be cut free by doctors, and then placed a pillowcase over his head, all in violation of state law.
All I said was that this matter, in my opinion, deserved to be looked into.
Whether any laws were broken will now be a decision by the Cattaraugus County District Attorney. Erie County DA John Flynn made the initial request because of a conflict within his office. At one point, two assistant DAs had relationships with county corrections officers involved with Metcalf's case.
You had conflicting opinions on what happened here. Once the New York State Commission did their report, and that report came out last fall, I felt that it was important to take another look at it.
Those conflicting opinions continued this week, as shown by videos you saw Monday on News 4. County corrections officers say Metcalf was yelling and moving during his transport from the jail's medical room to a waiting ambulance. Throughout the transport, though, Metcalf isn't moving. In fact, when he's lifted into the ambulance, he's not breathing, and his heart has stopped.
The deputy's testimony was that he was resisting the entire time, and you can see from the video he was unable to do so. He's clearly unconscious at that time. He's strapped to the gurney. He's covered. He's got a pillowcase tied tightly around his neck, his head and his neck. He's unable to breathe. The EMTs were unable to evaluate him. When they finally did evaluate him in the ambulance, he was in cardiac arrest.
Now, this case in its physical form is massive. It's made up of several boxes of depositions and evidence and reports, some of which date back to that night in 2012 when Richard Metcalf Jr. was brought here to the holding center, only to leave with cuts and bruises covering his body and with no signs of life. We'll have more on this story coming up tonight on News 4 at 6 o'clock. For now, reporting live outside the holding center downtown, Dave Graber, News 4 at 5.